In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your AWS account using this comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're signing in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and confidently. Let's dive in and get you logged in. First, you need to navigate to the AWS sign-in page. You can do this by typing in the URL https console.aws.amazon.com/ straight into your browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the AWS console homepage where you'll start the login process. Once you're on the sign-in page, the first decision you need to make is how you want to sign in. AWS offers a few different options for this depending on your account setup. If you are the creator of the AWS account, you'll want to select the root user option. This is typically the primary account holder's credentials. However, if you're accessing AWS as part of a team or organization, you might be using an IAM user account. In this case, select the IAM user option. And lastly, if your organization uses a single sign-on system, choose the IAM Identity Center option, which is often linked to your work email. With your chosen sign-in method, it's time to enter your login details. For those logging in as a root user, you'll need to input your email address and password associated with the AWS account. Be sure to double check these details to avoid any access issues. If you're logging in as an IAM user, you'll need to enter the account ID or alias provided by your administrator, along with your personal username and password. This setup is often used within corporate environments where multiple users need access to AWS resources. Lastly, if you've chosen the IAM Identity Center for SSO, you'll be prompted to use your work-related credentials, which might involve additional verification steps as determined by your organization. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to signing into your AWS account. Remember to keep your credentials safe and confidential, and ensure that you log out after each session when you're finished using AWS, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. This helps to maintain the security of your account. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to sign into your AWS account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies your AWS experience moving forward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave your comments below. Good luck with your AWS endeavors, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides.